What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. This one is for all the G35 owners who suffer from the broken radio depression. I know. It's horrible. So, I went on Amazon and they have this thing. It's an adapter. You put it in the cassette deck and you're supposed to be able to connect to it through Bluetooth. So, it's called Oz Vita. So, we're going to check it on out, y'all. See how good this thing is. Reviews was pretty decent. And it wasn't that expensive, so I said, let me take a shot and see how this is. So, we're going to check it on out. This is being at the radio so outdated in these G35s. It's a 2003 G35, and the radio is a CD tape player, which is super outdated. So we're going to see how this does. If the tape player even works. I don't even know if the tape player works, y'all. I never even tried it. So here goes nothing. Okay, that's connected. Now let's see. Bluetooth is on. Now let's think you gotta press this. Oh, there it go. Pops right up. Oz Vita. Pops right up. Okay. It popped up. Now let's go to music. Let's go with that. Oh, it works, y'all.
Giving you a Glock, put it to your neck. You know that same bitch said don't fuck with him. That nigga no good, ain't no trust in him. 2 days later,
yeah, y'all. Gotta turn that down. I got a YouTube flag. Oh, it works good, y'all. It works very good. Wow. I'm surprised. It works that good and it's clear. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This gets my vote. Oz Vita. The tape deck adapter. Oh, and it comes with a USB plug. I forgot the name of this one. This is for the old Androids before the C-type. Just the old Android charger. I forgot the name of it. But yeah, it's good, y'all. I like it. Plays good, clear. It's not choppy. I would play more music, but you know, YouTube's gonna flag me for that. Hope I don't get flagged for this. I try to keep it short. This is the cassette to aux adapter by Oz Vita. So you're able to play Bluetooth if you don't want to go through the trouble of changing the radio and getting double DIN put in or going through all that. Or if you just want to be cheap like me and you don't want to spend the money. Get this, and you're good as gold. This is the I Don't Know Man from the I Don't Know show. And I didn't know this was going to be that damn good. But it's good. Oops, that wasn't. Dope. But yeah, it was good, y'all. So I'm surprised it's this good. But yeah. Ars Vita. Got it off of Amazon, y'all. Ars Vita. ARSVITA. Cassette to aux or Bluetooth adapter. Cassette Bluetooth adapter, y'all. I like it. It's good. Works real good. No complaints here. So I guess I'm gonna wrap this one up, y'all. So for the G35 owners, or not even G35, anybody that got an older car or a car that got outdated radio, they got a cassette deck, you got the Ars Vita, solve your problem. Go from cassette deck to Bluetooth. Works good. So that's how you can handle that issue if you don't want to spend the money, or if you just want something real quick and listen to your music when you drive home. That's it, y'all. But I ain't gonna bore y'all folks too much more. Like, subscribe, comment, do something. Hell, it don't matter. Just show some love, or however you feeling. Or criticism is accepted by me. But yeah, it's the I Don't Know Man from the I Don't Know show. And I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. But this is good, y'all. Ars Vita. Looks damn good. So if you got a cassette deck, you want Bluetooth, pop that baby in, and you good. Got it from Amazon, y'all. I don't know if it's on eBay, but I got it from Amazon. It was cheap off Amazon. Less than $20. I think it was like $15, if that, $13. But it was cheap, less than $20. Came in a day or two, came fast. So no complaints here at all. Cheap price, quick delivery, and it works damn good. So I'm out of here, y'all. What I'm gonna do next, I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, y'all. Take care and be safe.